Meaning of imagism.
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 Imagism. Imagism was a literary movement that emerged in the early 20th century. It emphasized the use of precise, concrete images in poetry instead of abstract or vague language. The imagists believed that images could evoke emotions and ideas more powerfully than traditional poetic forms such as meter and rhyme. They also valued simplicity, clarity, and directness, and often drew inspiration from Eastern and classical literature. Prominent imagists include Ezra Pound, H.D., and William Carlos Williams. Their work had a significant influence on modern poetry and continues to inspire poets today.